Okay, we're back at it here. Looks kind of strange, but yeah, I'm working on the 39 Chevy. This is the brake booster I was talking about. I'm hoping to use this because it's nice, a little tighter. They are a little longer, but I think I can get that to work. Proportioning valves already here. Don't know if that's going to work, but if not, I'll get one of them adjustables from Speedway. The easy way to pull these, I'm just doing it the junkyard way, because this Jeep is gone, trashed, nothing but scrap. You can see down here, I just take my side ikes, pinch it there, cut it there, give it a wiggle. That crimps it, stops it from leaking all over the place. That cuts it off. Did that on all three of them. And we'll come around to the inside here. And you can see I've already got it all tear apart. Pulled the column out. And I want that brake assembly. Here's the reason why. And it's hard to see in here, but you can kind of see how it mounts flat up against that firewall and then comes up here with two here and another one back over here. I can build a mount like this for this to tie into back on the 39, and that holds the pedal. So I can build an extension off of here to come up to the 39 dash, however it's got to be. Also, I'll come back later. That's a good throttle pedal right there. It's nice. Semi-flat wall on these Jeeps. And it's cable. So I can adapt anything to that to go out to the Chevy. The carburetor that we're using on it. It's all easy adapted. And this gives me both pedals, and then I can do something different with this. I can cut the pedal if I need, make it shorter, make it longer, whatever I gotta do. But that's the reason I'm using it. It's got a good brake light switch right there. I can wire that in. But that's part of it, and we'll get back to it, get this out, and throw it over. Oh, another thing. I don't know if you've had to order any of these, but that right there, that steering U-joint, to order one of them is almost $100. So what I do on these, and it's all double D, so I can adapt this by just undoing it there or cutting the shaft back here, welding the sleeve, welding the shaft to the GM column. There's my steering universal. That's $100 right there. This whole thing, this whole Jeep that we got, you can see, it took a hard hit. In fact, it even bent the axle under there. His front axle. I don't know what he hit, but he hit something hard. But we picked the whole thing up for, oh Lord, I think Dad's into this like $50 total. Probably did some trading for it. I know the guy that he got it from, and that's how they do most of their stuff. But stuff like that to look forward to. You know, that U-joint's $100. This master cylinder, you're probably talking another 100, 150 plus the pedal assembly. Add up all of those parts, buying them aftermarket, you can save a whole bunch of money doing it this way. But I'll get back on her. You kind of see some of our other projects kind of hanging out. This is the backyard, home of all of our projects, ranging anything from tractors to old half-cut school buses. There's Studebaker stuff back here. There's all kinds of, you name it, it's probably back here somewhere. But this is going to be our collar hauler again with that 56 Chevy stub nose. Kind of a cab over. I call them a stub nose on those ones because they've actually got a little bit of a hood. But anyway, back to what I'm doing. Squirrel in a nut here.